What's up everyone, this is Let's Talk About It with Aaron E, and that's me. And today's video is going to be a hotel review of the Gabriel in South Beach. This is not to be confused with the Gabriel of downtown Miami. This is the South Beach Miami Gabriel Hilton Curio Collection Hotel. So I just wanted to make that clear. This hotel is not very big, so this is going to be a very quick review. I've always been wanting to stay here, and I finally got a chance for my birthday to be able to stay here. So guys, hit a like and subscribe down below if you haven't done so already, and we'll get into this short hotel review. Okay, so here is that lobby portion where my room is. There's that really cool mural. It's huge. And then there's a skylight that goes up to that's where the pool is. So there's that restaurant. And then now we're going to go to my room. This is actually a really big elevator. Very spacious. But kind of slow. It's one thing I'll say. But anyway, so I've got an ocean view room, which is awesome. So this is the second floor. You can see this was just from what we saw a second ago. There's that mural again. My room's right over here, 1202. So the cool thing is the key cards are actually like this, almost like wooden type of material, cardboard actually, sorry, cardboard, and kind of neat. So, give me 1 second for the door to close. So, you've got this ample closet space, which is nice. Got a mirror, which is cool. You've got storage on top. You've got for like clothes and the rack and things like that. You've got a safe right here, which is cool. So that's pretty neat. You get the beach towels, ironing board, stuff like that. And then here you do get like snacks and drinks, coffee maker. They always give you bottled water when you always check in. And then you also have a fully stacked refrigerator, which is cool. Sorry, trying to get the reflection of me out of there. But anyway, so back to the room. So this is a really, really nice room. I think it's quite spacious. You got the body tall mirror here. You got a really cool picture. To me, the bed though is a little low. I expect it to kind of be a little higher, so that's the only thing that I'm not absolutely in love with. So you can see this is low. Don't really like that. TV is nice. It's a nice size TV, which is pretty cool. And we're gonna go out here. The really nice thing is this is a massive balcony. So, I mean, holy moly, look at this balcony. You got a really comfortable chair, beautiful view of the beach. This was an upgrade that I got. This is just a massive amount of table space and sitting space, I should say, sorry. And then, yeah, this is the beach, which is really, really cool. So, I'm going to keep on moving through. And then, we want to go back into the room. And here, now I want to go to the bathroom. The bathroom is actually spacious and it's nice. I thought it was going to be a lot smaller based off the photos, but no. So, you get a privacy window here, so that way you're not staring into other people across the way. I like the sinks. You get this really nice shampoo and body wash, that type of stuff, which is pretty cool. The design of the sinks here, you can see how this is like flat, so the water like runs. As you can see, the water runs like in an angle, which is pretty neat. And then here is the shower. Sorry, the fan's a little noisy, but want to be able to showcase this to you. Also, the toilet's a very, very modern design, which is pretty neat. And then once again, they have this really nice soaps and body washes and things like that. Sorry about that. I'm going to turn this off. And yeah, this is the room. So this is just a quick room tour. I really, really like this place. I like this actually a lot better than one in downtown Miami. Even though it was a bigger room, I just think this has a better appeal to it. And of course, you're right on the beach. Even though it kind of seems small, it's actually a lot more spacious than the room than it really is. And then once again, this is just that really, really cool beachfront room with a really, really nice balcony. So just wanted to be able to end a note on how nice this is. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. This was a quick review of the Gabriel South Beach Hilton Hotel, a Curio collection. So this was a really nice place. I've been wanting to stay here for a few years and I finally got the opportunity. So this was just a quick video review. If you enjoyed it, hit the like and subscribe if you haven't done so already, or if you're subscribed, just hit that like button. It helps me out, and guys, hope to show you some more videos and more content in the near future. Guys, be safe out there and enjoy your day.